Well, hello, it's Luke Williams for Tania.co.uk podcast on Wednesday the 15th of March. Just a quick one while I fill in for Tim while he's down in the south. We'll have a full report at the end of the week. Well, as you can see, conditions are amazing. So for if you pan round, we're just above Tania now in the trees, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Loads of fresh snow for underfoot, beautiful sunny day. And yeah, we're going to stop for a little late lunch now. Congratulations, Jake, who you just saw on his win a couple of weekends ago. And I will check in after lunch. Get yourselves out here. A bit quicker than we expected. Me and Toffer, 30 seconds after that tape, have just collided in Narnia. I think it's definitely time for lunch.